A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. But in previous lecture, we learned about your string manipulation, and in string manipulation, we have learned about the concatenation operator plus sign and your replicate option multiply sign. Okay. Now today we are discussing here your comparison operator, and your comparison operator we have already discussed in the previous chapters, and your comparison operator means your less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, these all are your comparison operators. So how they calculate it? So open your Python language. For example, we have written here a is a string value, so you write down in single quote equal to, and then again write down a. So a is equal to a, yes, so answer is true. But when you write down capital A and equal to small a, so its answer is false, because capital A is not equal to small a, because the Unicode is the different of the small a and the capital A. And when you write down Z is less than equal to A, so your answer is false. But when you write down A is less than equal to Z, so your answer is always true. For example, you have written here ABC greater than, sorry, less than, we have written here less than is equal to ABC, so your answer is true. But if you write down ABC, one place in small letter and another is your capital letter, so your answer is false. So these are your comparison operator. You use all these comparison operator. Now determine ordinal Unicode value of a single character. For this determining the ordinal character, two functions are used. One is your ORD, and then you write down single character here, and second is your char, CHR. So when you write down ORD and you write down any character, then it display your answer of the numeric, or you can say Unicode of that particular character. But when you write down your char and for example you see the practical of this, again open your interactive mode, and one more thing you can learn here, beta. When you write down 2 plus 2, so this is your arithmetic operator, plus sign is there, so its answer is 4. But when you write down string, first is your string 2, and then you write down second string, and you use the concatenation operator, so it gives your answer 22. And here you multiply 2 multiply 3, so this is your numeric, so its answer is 6. Same like 2 multiply 3, so 2 raised to power 3, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So this is your, all these are your arithmetic operator. But when you write down one string and then you use a replicate operator, and then you write down here 4, so 4 times 2 to 2 will be displayed here. Same like if you write down here computer, and then you write down here plus symbol, and then you write down science. So what is the output of this? The output of this is computer science. So answer is your computer science. This is your concatenation operator and your replicate operator. But here we do the two functions. One is your ORD function and second is your char function. So how you do it? Again open your Python. So here we do ORD. ORD means your ordinal value, and we want to find out the ordinal value, means the Unicode of the A. Then your answer is 97. But when you write down ORD capital A, then your answer is sorry, one missing here. So again write down ORD, then you write down small a and then close the inverted comma. So your answer is 97. But when you write down in capital letter, again ORD in bracket start and write down A in capital, so your answer is different from the small a. So capital A always store in start from the A, and the value is 65, and if you write down small, so it starts from the 97. But if we want reverse order, we write down the character value, and we want uh, its Unicode number, ordinal number. So write down CHR and then write down here 66. For example, numeric value you can input here. So your answer is B. A character value it will be displayed here. So again CHR, and we want to find out 112. So its answer is P. So these all are your two function is there. Your ORD ordinal function and second is your CHR character function. So in character function you write down the integer value, you display your character, and in ordinal you write down the character value, you display the numeric value to you. So beta these are the example of this. You can do the practical of this, and this program we have already done with the nested loop, but here we have used this program without nested loop. So do the practical of all these programs. So here you see one more topic, string slices. So what do you mean by the slicing? The different parts of your character. For example, you write down computer, so C is one slice, one part, then O another part, then P, C, O, M, P, U, T. So different character is your different parts of your string. So this is called your string slices. That is for a string, say name. If we have give name n raised to 5, so n m means your where n and m are integer and legal indices. Python will return a slice of the string by returning the character falling between indices and m starting from the n. So first your a will be displayed, then n plus 1 m, then again n plus 1. So again plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be displayed, and till m minus 1. So m is the last value, m is your last value. For example, you have write down those 7, so always 7 minus 1 6. So your indexing after the from the 0 to 6 will be displayed here. So you see here we have write down 0. So starting value is 0 and last value is 7. So it display 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So maximum 7 here written here. So 7 minus 1 always 6. So it displayed as 6. So your answer is amazing. But you write down here 0 to 3. So 0 is here, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is A, M, A. 3, always 3 minus 1 is your 2. So it display your answer till the 2. 2 raised to 5. So start from the 2 and end in the 5. And 5 minus 1 4. So start from the A and Z and then your I. So answer is A Z I. Same like the other example is there. So another way is you can skip starting value, beginning value. So when you write down the slices, then your one is beginning index and the second is your last index. Between the colon is there from the beginning value and the last value. So you can skip, if you can skip the first value, say beginning value, then automatically start from the 0, and again you can see here again start from the 0, and 5 means your minus 1. So it display the value 0 to 4, and it will display the value 0 to 6. And here you can see your last value will be skip here, so you can skip it. So your program always your value will be start from the 3 and the last value till end. Same like when you write down word 5, so it start from the 5 and the so move till the last value is there. So the string slices refer to a part of the string start and the end value, that is the element beginning at start and extending up to but not including end. So here you see you write down hello world. So on the 0 1 2 3, so hello string 6 raised to 10. So what is the 6? W. And what is the 10? Your last value. So it display the answer world. But here you see you skip the last value, so it starts from the 6 and it move till the last value. So world will be displayed here. But here you see 3 minus 2. So what is the 3 minus 2? So here minus 1 is there, then your minus 2 is there, then minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So it start from the minus 2. So it start from the L. And last value is minus 2. Your last value is minus 2 and your starting value is 3. So always start from the 0, 1, 2, 3. So it start from the O and your last value is minus 2. So minus 2 is your here. So it displays the 0, then one space, then WORL. So interesting interface interference using the same string slicing technique. You will need that uh, for any index n, for example sn. So your last value is your ending value and your beginning is the missing here, but here you see your ending is missing and your starting value is n start from this. So this works even for n negative or out of the bounds. But if you write down, let us prove this with an example. Consider the same string named word storing amazing. Okay, so you start word 3 and the last value is missing here, and again here you see word, so starting value is missing. So here it starts from the ZING and here is the answer is AAMA. Why AMA? Because start from the 0 and end with the 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, but 3 minus 1 always display the 0 to 2. And here you see 3 start from the 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So it just start from the Z and move the till end. You can give a third course optional index say n in slicing in string slicing too. Will that every nth element, it means any element, will be taken as part of slice. For example, the word amazing, look at the following example. Start from the 1 and the last value is 5, 6 minus 1, and give the space 2 to gap is there. So it will take every two characters starting from the index till index complete. So for example, amazing word is there, so we start from the 1. So we start from the M, then 2 gap. A is gap, then display the Z, then I is skipped, and then display the N. So answer is M. Uh, ZN. Okay, so this is your slicing. Another interesting inference is index out of bound causes error. If you write down any number out of bound, then it display the error. For example, you have written S is equal to hello. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 index, only 4 index is there. So will cause error because 5 is invalid index out of bound for string hello. Same like, but if you write down s is equal to hello and start from the 0 ratio 8. So 4 is your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so one limit is outside the bond. Length of hello is 5 and thus valid index is 0 to 4. Same like you start from the 5 and 10. So both limit are outside the bond, you can say. So in the above will not give any error and print output here. So this is the program. You better you do this program in your system and see the output of this. Your next program is palindrome. Write a program to check the program inputting string is palindrome or not. What is the palindrome? Palindrome means when you write down forward or when you write down backward, both side are the same. For example, you have write down MADAM and you write down reverse order MADAM. So this is your palindrome. So you can input a number, and if your inputting number is equal to your inputting string is equal to same, then minus 1 is there. So reverse order will be displayed, and here print S and is a palindrome. Okay, so we do the practical of this program. See beta, here we take one variable name is cs and we use the input function here, enter a string. So here we inputting a string, and if ch is equal to then colon minus 1, so it check it is a palindrome, otherwise it is not a palindrome. So this is the example of your palindrome. Okay, and what is the output of this palindrome you can see here. You can run this program, you see here, and here we write down MADAM, so it gives answer you. It is a palindrome. Oh, previous program will be displayed here. So again run this program. Now you enter a string. For example, I have written here madam, so madam is a palindrome. But if we write down here computer, then it will give the answer not a palindrome. So again run this program, and now you see the output where I have written here computer. So it gives the answer computer is not a palindrome. So this is the program of your palindrome or not a palindrome. String function and method we start in the next class. For today's video, thank you so much for watching this video, and do the practice of your chapter number 8 and 9.